Hi all. In this video, we are going to demonstrate workforce management. Workforce management is a solution designed to optimize the tracking and management of employee data. In our system, it includes data such as employee personal information, work details, employee dependents, and skills and qualification details. It also encompasses reports, alerts, and processes such as transfers, promotions, disciplinary actions, end of service, and employee probation. Workforce management software aims to enhance operational efficiency and improve employee satisfaction. Let's dig into the system. For that, we need to log in. We need a user ID and password. So, let me just log in. This is the homepage of our system. Here, you can see all the details, including how many workflows are there, notices, requests, and employee leaves. If any claims are pending or in progress, along with workflows, pay slips, probation completions, and end-of-service details, you can see them all here. This is my HR manager role. I'm going to show you the core HR module. From the menu, we have to go to HR management. Here, we have a general setup where we define details like position master, grade, competency master, job family, etc. Next is our workforce management. First, we have employee personal information. The employee personal information window contains details like the employee's name, age, date of birth, and all the necessary information is added here. You can see we have some widgets from which we can directly add new employees. We can also go to work information, add dependents, and add skills and qualifications directly from here. When we click any of these, it will direct us to that window so that we can find the employee record and enter their details. Here, we have some advanced searches. Additionally, we are showing end-of-service details, indicating which employees have left and how many days are remaining. Then, we have age groups of employees, indicating how many employees belong to specific categories, 20 to 29, 30 to 39, and so on. There is also a new joiner comparison with the previous year and current year, along with the marital status of employees, how many are married and how many are single. There is an employee exit comparison as well. Here, we have an edit button. From here, we can add more widgets or delete some widgets if they are not required. Now, let's go to the window. This is our window. Here, we have some filters. If you want to see employee details, you can directly search from here. If you know the employee number, name, type, gender, marital status, or whether the employee is disabled, you can search directly from here. You can also apply advanced searches. This window is in toggle form. Here you can see employee organization, employee number, type, name, gender, date of birth, marital status, blood type, employment start and end dates. If an employee has resigned or been terminated, then this date will be entered. Next is nationality, relation name, email address, mobile number, and whether the employee is disabled. Along with this, we have some additional tabs to add information. The login user, if you have employee self-service, can be set up as a login user so they can access the system. Here, we define the address, phone number, and language known by the employee. We can also input the employee's bank account and document details, along with end-of-service information when the employee is terminated or resigns. Let's show you the new record. The red fields are mandatory and must be filled for the employee's information. Okay, I'm going back. Let me show you two more tabs. Here, on the employee's address, you can specify the address type: emergency, primary, secondary, or temporary. It's the residential address. If the residential address is the same as the permanent address, you can indicate that. Next, we have our Employee Work Information tab. For that, you can either click here or navigate here. Here we have employee work information for payroll and employee work information. This is our landing page. This is the admin window where the admin will enter all records. Here, you can see advanced searches. There is a button displaying employees without work information. There are 3 employees who do not have work information. Then we have employee end of service details, probation completion status, exit comparison, and joiner comparison. Let's go to the window. Here, we have some filters to refine our search. We can filter any data based on employee number, name, category, department, position, grade, payroll, assignment status, and supervisor name. Let's explore the system. The first tab shows us the necessary employee details: employee status, date of birth, employment start date, end date, gender, marital status, email address, mobile number. Now let's go to the employee work information. Here, you can see all the work information of employees, including their work organization, cost center, start date, end date, work category, work schedule, position, grade, job master, department, payroll, supervisor name, assignment status, whether it is confirmed, under probation, suspended, or terminated, and if this detail is primary or not. Here we have information component details. We can add information components like leave details for the employee. Next, we have employee work information. This window is designated for payroll so they can enter payroll-related details, as it is confidential and may not be shared with all authorities. So, we have a separate window for payroll only. The first visit shows whether employees have payroll components or not. The second shows employees without work information. We also have advanced searches and comparisons for exits and new joiners. Now, let's go to the window. Here we have some filters to simplify record searching. From here, we can enter details and find specific records if required. Let's dig into the system. This window is similar to the previous admin window. The only difference is that it's designated for payroll with some extra details, like the statutory information of the employee in employee work information. We have one more tab that is payroll component details. Only payroll-related authorities can enter details related to payroll components, such as basic salary or bonuses. All the details will be entered by payroll authority. Next, we have employee dependents and employee skills and qualifications. First, we will look at skills and qualifications. This is our landing page, which shows some details such as how many employees there are without skills and how many employees have not entered their qualifications into the system. There are advanced searches and top skills that employees possess within the organization. For example, 4 employees have advanced knowledge and 4 have adaptability skills. Then we can see the top 5 universities from which employees have joined the organization, as well as the lowest skills that employees may have. Now, let's go to the window. Here we can filter by employee number, name, university, qualification, and skills. Now let's look at employee details. Here we have employee competence profiles, qualification information, employee skills, previous experience, and roles. Let's check qualification information. Here, you can enter the employee's qualification details, such as the university attended, institute name, qualification, and status, whether it is passed, failed, ongoing, or terminated. We can also note the start and end dates. These are not mandatory, but you can add them if desired. Similarly, we have employee skills to add information about what skills the employee possesses. You can add details of all the skills and previous experiences and roles. If any employee has any prior role, it can be entered here with employer name, country, employee role during that experience, start and end dates. If the employee is currently working here, you can mark this checkbox as true. Next, we come to employee dependents. In this section, we can see how many employees have dependents. If an employee's marital status indicates they are married, but the spouse information is missing, it will be displayed here. We also have advanced searches. You can find data with filters like employee number, employee name, relation type, and whether they are disabled or employed. These filters can help find specific records of employee dependents. Here is the information for one employee who has one dependent, Radhika, with the relation being sister. The dependent's date of birth and gender are mentioned here. Additionally, we can also show dependent qualifications and documents if the employee has submitted them. These are the main windows for workforce management that compile all employee information. Let me show you. If you click Add Dependents, it will take us directly to the Employee Dependent window, just like the rest of the windows, such as Skills and Qualifications and Work Information. That's all for workforce management in this video. Thank you for watching.